These are the service elevators at the Frederiksberg Centeret Shopping Center in Frederiksberg, Denmark. These are KONE Monospace 700 from 2012. Down to B1, here we go down. B1. Tag parking, green 1. There we go. One opens right into the car park. It says goods list only. This floor, because it's right on the open, I guess. Down to that would be 2. That's a replacement button. Inspection. Oh no, it's a KONE TranSys. Yeah, that makes sense for what this is. It's a KONE service stainless steel cab for industrial service use. Here's like a B2. But it sounds like the same machine as the Monospace 700. These take a bit to close, which makes sense because these are for goods. Their closing is not going to be it.